You think say I want to marry you? Nabe Jojo me. And I mean me who baby boy ma. Me just me who baby boy ma. Over my dead body. Oh free like you. Oh free jato me who baby boy ma. Na kwa ko free jato eh. How do you see you come to disrespect me by coming to do a video telling me say na no mo sami yare. U trisu no apampaso. U boxers move fin wati. A dirty pig like you. You dare insult my intelligence? You dare insult me? Pretending not to respond? You are pretending not to respond and you are insulting me indirectly. I have told you who I am. I have a good heart. Then, mom, when you come thinking you want to destroy me, you will regret. It will do me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 37 times. I have been counting all the sex David had with me. Good evening, wonderful people. And then a babysitter is not available for me, so I was here calling to say, Ohene David and co. Ohene David and the freedom fighters, I am here for you this evening. I am here for you this evening, okay? Ohene David, I was starting suma. I started suma on crowd for some medium atemno. This evening, I'm here for you. Since morning, your people have started reporting my account, my Facebook account, left, right, center. Whether you report me, my account, it's already restricted. My young Facebook has restricted me. And so I said I have to be in the Facebook jail for some time before I can have my freedom like I used to. So, Ohene David and co. Me, I was brought up not to insult people. Yeah? If you are civilized, there is a way you do things. Obiane nimbiye enkwana woni nya asema but obiane ni ate no can make their submissions. No, don't touch it, okay? They can make their submission without necessarily attacking anybody. Bella, make sure you don't touch the phone, otherwise it will collapse. Why? This time everybody is coughing in Hamburg. Okay, let me just share the video and then I will acknowledge your presence and then we move on. So I welcome you all. Please, let's make sure, sir, we keep Ghana, the name of Ghana, clean. Oh, wait behind me. This cough will hurry me today, pa. I welcome you once again. So, more target me in all the useless videos from the people that David has sent to come and insult me. You know, you two share the video and let them get it. Yeah, Bella. Dankeschön. Oh, this cough will worry me, Papa. Danke. I don't want to eat biscuit, Bella. Take it and eat, okay? Eat it. You don't like? I don't want to eat biscuit. Do you get my point? If you love Ghana, if you think that social media has come to destroy us, I am number one. Not me, in social media. No. Those who know me when I was growing up, when I became the ambassador, traveling here and there, no. I wasn't like this. Intimunche video ni pa because my account is restricted. It's a man share video na the paduno na am be joining here. It will be difficult to send. Hello. Masati frefre. Me be a phone line into me can say my friends, you know. Please try as much as possible. No, I said my account has been restricted, so please when you come, kindly share. Oh, they share 2 pages, so let others see the video. I was not even planning to start doing live videos on my page because I know, sir, it is restricted. Ransford Frimpong says, I like using the word civilized. Yeah, that's it. Teresa Donko says, beautiful. A good as Sunday says, sweet baby. I have some videos here that I want to play. David, what's the name at them? Them no. What's Masma? What's Masman Crow for seeing made him at them and mouth? And you be an answer. Why I said you don't want to talk, but you are talking indirectly. Xing Hang said, what is your problem about David? I don't have any problem with David. Let me tell you how I met David. I got a video this afternoon. I was so pissed off. My main channel come before somebody share David. But before then, no, I did a quack of a buffon abano. Bella, I did the fire. You know, there is no road here. Danke. Bitishon, don't cry. I didn't beat you. Don't cry. I have not touched you, so don't cry. But sir, what's the problem? Just watch this video. Watch this.
And Muninaso, mammy, Muninaso. Some penny. Oh, five, wow. Some penny pan, any penny was saying.
Listen to Muntie's conversation way. Listen carefully. There is no smoke without fire. And a Facebook into fire now anyway group of people fighting this group. I don't belong to any group on Facebook.
My friend Paul Bako, one fat. My friend, let us me no way. My friend, were declined. My friend, let us me no declined. Your friend, and let us me answer. Yeah, toss me answer. Hello, Bravo.
Mutie, sir, video way. This is the
good evening. My name is Abi and why busy. I want to remind me no didn't come just 1 second. Your friend Ohene David, Mr. Germany. Now, some who say would defend a papa for the pana. My auntie, be so went me and cathedral and no can and no great.
Mutie, Corno, Mutie. Where a video David about 5 days ago.
Oh, Bravo, Nadia, now ye. I was your behind the pen ready. Oh, behind the phone ready. Oh, behind the phone ready. Oh, behind the phone ready. My mama friend now copy what's not.
Pay attention. You
don't know why it's going on. Me my life we me chiamo keke me chiamo me my friend now on phone. I don't want to ni number de beto so no so am pa WhatsApp ubehun sa or the same ubehun sa ne Natalie or shed that whole or shed it to ya the same thing. Or I don't want to we na dan WhatsApp. Na se Paul pa on fan boko no ni me interview because
interview nya by force. Yesi akola onim ne nsa woro no. Onu na onim penifo ayeden edidie. Akola onim ne nsa woro e na onim penifo etu nsa edidie. Semiti wey na bia Peace FM and say any other station. Person ne me bon komo. Minim hu hwe. Minam kro me bi kra me appointments bi e bi kra me live video. Na wa frɛ me. Na wa frɛ me na se mentimi ne wan kasa. Na ebia se Peace FM o, se Adum FM o, na udi me number no, se ubu efu nti no. You as a presenter no. Who see ubu efu? Stella, adia uye. Go this way. Na wa frɛ eyi. Wa frɛ me na se me si me ntimi ne wan kasa, baby. Now with me number. Now with the akwa to public say oh bien framing. Me pamocho, this thing that is going on. Mama yenye politics in frame. Oh, sorry, okay, sorry. Get up. There's no need to cry. Uber for my no, sorry. Get up. Let me help you. There's no need to cry. Sorry, okay? It's okay. Cuckoo. Look at this. Now, Sir David, who bang obi? Who bang me? Who name say who here bibia? Met me a yama. Ebia, minim penimbi. Who pesa who need discuss bibi. And no Joyce, me pa chopa. Who wa Paul I don't much a number. I want to use this platform to say a big sorry to Paul I don't much a senior journalist. Media, I'm talking about people's personality, not their political affiliation. Lucky Dube Bonyembi or say, respect me for who I am and not what I am. Nobody cares about your political affiliation. Respect people for who they are, but not what they are. Me, you're crazy, said the people who are in my life over decades. Nya dear, me to me Jimmy me honsa. Me ni NDC ni NDT. I have dated 2 NDC ministers. They be me the bayagro. And I mebo mudin. Na maside na me ko. Be na 50 December 2018 ameye NDC for muni me date mebo mudin. Sorry. E wane de obi abawa o Germany. Mebo mudin no mati se mabo obi dinda. Debi. Nipa so as you should set a limit say me ya de bi kra na. Ma set a limit say me cross this boundary way. The friend be respect. So all respect to obia. It doesn't matter their political affiliation. Enya na ka me sure say mumu bu nim say me ni Paul Adomochiri ye free. Obia me ni ye free a me nim say oye penin say me. Uye penin say me. Ana say bia u position be no higher than me. Na se o ma brabo mu a. Echi na nti no me nim da me hia. I keep that friendship private. Politicians omoya me na fufuo e wo Ghana. Me post obi ada say hey this is my friend oh me nya san kwase ade no. Enne unya posti wadanfu bia oye important to you pe ade bechi no na e ho asai. Obi befa phone na friend aka chen say eh yati say Joyce say na down for ni wo na ade na say. So do you think Sir David, do you think say nipa na o ma brabo mu a obeji ni phone number o me ho no your program wa friend nipa no one morning nka ye say o pese o ye program na pese o friend one nka hwe an kire no eno ani say Paul ye bra Paul ye bi pese me no di nkomo mi program so wakati wa so buefu enti wa bobo Paul number e dia to Facebook say your friend ye di atem mo amu Google ha mu babedi matem ye sure say mu ina mu follow freedom fighters organization of ye mu ade freedom fighting mu use our freedom ni free. Whose freedom are you fighting? Change the name of the word freedom fighting. Now mu fight mu nya no ye mu ade organization. Ye mu ade organization. Obi trust who respect Paul. Who respect that Paul? You might choose not to respect him because of what he has done. I don't know. Because of his political affiliation. But I do not respect human beings because of what they are. Me respect you because they are human beings. Obia on the right, obia on the privacy. It is a free obi say o person an interview or program so. Na say nipa ni say me ni won kasa. Adenti na waso obo nipa ni number e di go Facebook say obia friend no. So we badwemba. So we nipa o say wadwemu da ho mu na musi me maboda mo. I accept. Me Joyce na musi me maboda. Wa wadwemu da ho. A o so we badwemba. A wadwemu no entouch ma. Na say obi number be ma. Now the number na kwa to Facebook there. I clap for you. When I must modify to be freedom no. Wait. And I must modify to be freedom. Make people have belief in you. Let people respect your whether it is an organization or it is Facebook at one you. Jemu yano enye. When somebody is going wrong, you have to tell the person. Now, my church, you are a traitor. You have betrayed David. Me betray David. I have betrayed David because madam fu kwa nemu. Me si jai. Or si me jai. Me advise you and no man me a traitor. Do you really understand the word traitor? Wouldn't my defend a traitor? Where is the phone? And David, me send you a message. Say, David, good morning. When you me? And I'm send you a message about some hours later. Bella, don't go there. Say, David, and then wapa me chawa na me de Paul number ma. Now so friend Nina Edin komo. Na Paul am fenti no. Who did number ba to Facebook say obi an friend ndi na tem. Enu na dia kasakasa ba yentem 53 days ago. Say enye chinchine e try say me frɛ wo say ofa. Wouldn't mean signing contract bi say o say me frɛ wo ofa. Is this how friends talk to each other? Is this how friends or lovers talk to each other? My Joe number. Me da go to Facebook. Oh, be our friend with watem. So if you say, oh, you'll be decided we do not obey or the dear judge. But don't forget about karma. Suma unkro for no freedom fighters no. Uda mamuni na amra medi matem. Let all of them come and insult me. My Jimmy Chefao. David, me di me humba bawo. Ah, so omwadio, jayo, omwadio, jayo, omwadio, jayo, omwadio, enkoho. Uye videos. Udi mami atem. Dina Samoa. What's me too for no? And I miss me best today ni ka ho. Na me nim se media no eni nam kona ho twan me. Eni na friend kama no. Obi edi obi atem. Na se we ntumi entunifo. Odi firi nipa ne so a odi beba wo so. So ya badwin ba obeti ase. I don't want to be distracted with your comments. I know you have been sent, but me Joyce, come and insult me 1,000 times. I'm not reading any comment today. I'm coming here to deliver why I came. Listen to the video.
That or shut it to ya the same thing. Or adomochre we na dan WhatsApp. Na se Paul pa on fan boko ni me interview because Obefa Oliver Baka no kokoye interview. Wa mera na wa ankasa watna TV station ho asia sopa no. Watna Metro TV asopa no. And Paul, whether you like it or not, you go answer my call. Okay. Or I don't know what you so on fa. Ochi Ohene David no. Kone wakati no woko. Okay. Me nyam my life, my life. Mami cheche amu hana me fa ne number ntuja. Mbacho mami ni kan bisa. Mo be frɛ ama me ana mo frɛ. Wa o be frɛ me pese bi hu yes keke. Wa won frɛ no mo ana mo mpene saa yi so no mo ntwe no.
This call really
kwa me fa so frɛ dampare kura eje ni nsem adwuma na ayeye no. Ye wa adofo mo nim krofo ye nim krofo. Mo nim
say fix the country for say why freedom fighters. You come here to insult me. My sickness has come again. Mukra muti apokra muti biamuni. Mu muti apo munim say ye fatem didie enkasa. Mu o Germany here, especially those of you who are in Germany. Say German citizens no. Say bibi ekosuna so mompa. They do a demonstration. Demonstration is who de bia so obi di obi atem. Omo chiro madwen. Say ade ekoso no yempe. Ade ekoso no yempo. Muti Germany krom ha. Obia na dwemu da ho bia no. Nti Germanfo, uye obia se, upese o chire wadwen na wodi atem a. They see you to be somebody who is not correct. And I correct be ha madwen papa. Germanfo se wodi atem a. Germanfo se ade bi si na se we nya ntobo ase. Na gbeg. They see you to be somebody who is mentally unstable. Germany be any one befa obi otisa serious in this country. You don't want to sit on me. You want to go back. Do you want this or not? Do you want it? Take it. Come. What me so? What sorry? What's the number? Oh Bella, and then in fact, Germany be anywhere or be a person China Joe the atom no better serious. They see you as somebody who is mental. What could demonstration be a German for her? I got to be the assembler. You don't know what you are saying. Now I am here. Say social media ama ye na say. But enkechi. You see, enkechi. Dia we wo na wa say ye. Nipa we wo no e na wa say ye. Moti all your videos. Me need time and me di be bom videos one by one abecheche nsem mu. Videos na ya mo ye no. Obi di WhatsApp na akotwe. Na obo ni one by one na abecheche nsem mu no. Me need that time no. I don't have that time. So I have just few. David, the person me can't say me true. I want to talk to you. I want to say something to you. The video you did this morning. What is the video, cry? This video.
It was a shock to me.
This video.
And I was very sad also. It me say, oh, when you don't have
don't remove it. Don't remove
any bad intentions for anybody,
it's okay.
It's say ya benyansa for no
sorry.
Na me ma me kasa nwa bibiri no. Mia me bom paye san sre na nanu ma ebo David ho ban. Ye nyai me ama owu no. Se omonfo omonsanka Joyce say Joyce yale ma me. Nyai me ama owu no.
Repeat that statement, David.
Se omonfo omonsanka Joyce say Joyce yale ma me. And they
who say who ni matem? Nemo no. What bad behave video? Sin na no ya the answer me yare ma o. Mama. Na che se madam fo ne o. Who call the enye? Enko ho e ho tro. Who di mpanifo atem? Who di ahemfo atem? Me ba wa brabo mu no. Eni ni kasa de bia meka. Unya peja asem na David say enko ho. What happened to you? What happened? You want to sleep? Sleep on mommy. Oh, call baby enye. Wadan for door say e ho a wo no enye ntino. Wo si den na nanu mo same yare ma indirectly no just my bodam. David, my bodam won. My bodam na nanu mo same yare ma won. Mi da se pa. Minim say so ni mi na mo yina hu mi same yare for. At least I have bipolar. Diga my point. Na bipolar na me wono. Nya me kwa na mo bipolar. You call hospital. You know asoma kwa me doctor catch me. I see. Lawyers, your lawyers are more bipolar depression. Your judges are more don't cry. I'm carrying you, don't cry. Your judges are more bipolar depression. There are celebrities who have bipolar. They still go to work. Bipolar. And your bodam so be a bodam or to bolas with the condition. It can affect anybody at any time. Yes, baby. Mama. Yes, my baby. Mama. Yeah. Cuckoo. Mama. And you know, who David? Some of my life, when I only them were bipolar. Then it is a oh, yeah, dear, enye. Now, Missy Jaya. Then it's also better. Facebook page. Now, Casse. Oh, born an animal pies almost some area mouth. Sure? I think, sir, are wrong meat. You have chewed wrong meat. But who ye? I'm Obani, I can't show on. Me on Facebook. Move on Facebook Live. How many months in here? Mama. Yes, baby. Move me Facebook Live. You know how many weeks in here? Moon talk about hey. Where the matter? And I went through my essay. And I say no. Am I part of that kind of thing? And I'm going to see go Ghana on social media so make a home. Na me nkwati a o de ma me video we akwara ni teme so the concentration here very low. The concentration very low. This guy called himself Ofaya.
Kuziafo me chachi amonimri me chachi abona ababa we bi o Germany I feel no Joyce Mensah and I'm who say, we video. Some are all canon. Now, no way, me one. I just have about we now obey a video or sing Ghana for who know Germany and easy done. And then I assume is now the ace vessel of my mother. If I dress a mention.
Oh, fire. Now me can say Thursday bonds near what Mama Nipa. Now me can say Thursday bonds near Jimudo. Now me nim say Thursday bomb you how with Jimmy Sada. The Ben I cut me back catcher will say me nam Germany and Uncle for Johnny. Me a kaka motobi. The Ben and I'm back catcher will say me nam Germany. Ghana for whom ya. Now we Johnny. Baby, I'm here. Ghana for a go. A ho I'm free Ghana. Me chrome Ghana for it to me aqua catch a ho one is semi or ace. Even baby, I'm here. Me chrome Ghana for. These are the things I talk about. We Ghanaians. This is our character. Me Ghana be whom you Johnny. Watch me. Bella, my foul. Where did D? One main. Mejaro. What sorry? Me a video. Queen. Where does it come from? I should give you a kiss. Oh, my eye. Who does have a woman need Bella? It's okay. Don't remove my wig. Who give me wig best to me? The Ben and Rebecca Chia will say, me a kaka but to be no. Sorry. Nipe whom ya? No more Johnny. Share? Anya, you want to create a scenario? Be say, there's a David B Scout ne why Peter. Who better who create a scenario? Be say, me na mo no. There's a me a phobia. Ya lucky me a shed down be more. There's obi ba me change ye. Enti David na imagine kwa. David ni B Scout ma ba besra me. Ya ye videos into na anya bia. Omo na ma be me free me ha mo. Is that what you are indirectly telling me? Is that what you are saying? Keep on coming. The freedom fighters followers come with your angry faces and so on. Na munipa na odi nkwasasem no. Se 124. Ade e fe be any time. Me kunto kwa o me to bomb. Me Joyce me kunto kwa. Me nim to kwa tintin ko. Yeah, we have to camera. No we dey atema na we are replying no. Now we are replying no. Me to bomb ba kuma wa. Se me to bomb ema wa. We dey muntie video no.
No. The zoo is now the ace vessel of my mother. If I dress a mention. Also Germany, Ghana for who are need Ghana. Because Ghana for say, HIV now do ace no. A bestra, or Mama, and no Mabusian to be who are need Ghana. It take him round here, Bimiansa, Biscat, Peter Notch, and Ohene David. And I mean, who said, Omono, a transit, timidity, a sleep boom.
Fire away. Say David Nasumawa. Say, Mamma on Canada command why. David Asuma said by yes, video, mammy. Say, in comfort to Bella. What do you want? What do you want right now? Send me Joyce me two way. In comfort to send me ace into no. And I'm base scout, any David Mosso. And I'm my heading. Me way ni GMO. Me dressing on me Pierre. Me dress it, it's in answer me tamper dressing me brain. Say Joyce Mensah, say me dress it, me ko baby na me dress it. Oh demu, na me pia. Ka say Gina I am a friend me no. Omo kromo nya bi before. Say me pia ko baby a, omo approach me. Are you really from Africa? You are pretty no. Omo kromo nya Ghana for. German for brony me, enya broke man brony o. Bella, ade awe me won. Ade awe me enya crack. Cuckoo. Is what? Yo. German phone call and attention. And now for someone in the Facebook, no, main tamper no. Who on Facebook no be atro. Say Bella, I don't know no mean crack. I don't like it at all. You are not a baby, you are 2 years old. Yeah. Who's one as well? If you cry, I'll cry. Ayo mama. Ayo mama. I feel today. As soon as I was in the zone, we said, "Oh, you are coughing. You are coughing too." Eh? I can't know how to me concentrate. I was like, I'm here program we are China because China only me. She will be with her babysitter. Now I was like, China I'm here program we, but I know she. Me we are China met what? Wait, your mama concentrate. Na me we are China met what? Aye. Why? Until I put it Facebook. Na obia frel. Obia send no message. Ghana for munja frel. Me nya sati send me picky call. Ah, your baby is here. Your baby is here. Sorry. I forgot it fell. Take your baby. Now obia send no message say, "E me patch me power down for. Say any say me mpe." I don't like it. David, do you know how David met me? Did you want to know how Ohene David met me? Do you want to know? Jamaya musa me to honu me just me ni obi a ma brabo mu. Me nam honu me anko nam. Se me dress na me pia. Enya Ghana for kwan na see me pe. Me nyo ba me ho abo me hu so. Iti ya mu kasa. Say when we are talking about relevant issue. Mu yi sa ace na me dia shada ke mu ama locking no. Ace no any bipolar no ya mu yi fi kasa ni mu. Say asemuba you want to go down? Go and take your kidney vagging. This one. Asemuba ni e kan. Ya mu yi ace. De bia mu pese mo be kai me say bibi wo ho e friend ace. Yeah, speak to the issue. Speak. Na yi ace me nyamabo. Don't pity me one bit. Do not pity me one bit. That video ya David was small of fire so my mama no. I was akofa ace na ba no. Say me ace dia na David unso wo ace. Me nya start I have not started with you at all. Good. Stay like this. So what suma of fire? Say ombra me ace video mamia. Oba no 120 for one man steps in guidelines no. I don't, you know, and draw video me here, you know. And then I me them out to 4 boy. Me say for me phone breme. But my Diana for me phone for breme. And no one can want some more. What's what? Broken man. And here what to the stand say you can't even buy a phone. Since I was born, 50 die a me. Me wan na fufu am boa me so me boa mo. Me ta de mobile kan hwasam da. Na so David, wo hwanhi. Say what one worry na what plate. Obe valanda o ke obale monkey. Obe valanda o ke obale adui. Who ni valanda so benya adui. Ohene David. Who ni valanda? What's the obenya adui? Upeso di atem na phone di atem kra woni bi. Phone na matter brand new. Me yin fa adake mo. Your phone na my contractor. Me go so amitua. I am still paying for the phone. So, send me the obi number ma. O se upa me chomi mfa. Paul I do much number ma. Who can send me 1 month ago? My farmer me yet say dem reef no. Last week ya about Hamburg. And I would definitely me am the number na ma o. Me the number na ma wa. Who ko e video a. Wa ko bo number na to so be a friend pa no di na tell na me kwaka. Who ka ya say me from na wan fa. Woni mi ni hihye bia se me frɛ wo so fa otufun manipa otufun e manipa what a promise ring amame promise ring na to mame no mia na me twetwe ye me share promise ring na grofo bisa ade wa ware na ne ade oh Joyce and me po bia be babere mame me po bia me ba kokra ma no David se me ma mu ni obanam na wo so person ware obado na ni tin wo hwe ni suban a e ma so hwe me suban so wo ni ma me ka tro awari sem de na me ma lock ahye eyi mu se me power my lucky sa a statement no me pe kunu no my lucky it's not part of my dream I'm the na asasiso as wo ba ya unim de opa free me ho nti no ada and ada sa and I me pe dem wa kakra wa no and I just invest me worry na unim se obaby apa krokro obaby enu aba kofa David say David ya won mu oba you don't respect women me sure na me bisa say David ni ti ade awu ya de bia anopa ewia anajo ade bia odi atam no sa na osuban ti ana osi de bi o program ni nko a say na you are worse. You think say I want to marry you na be jojo me and I me who baby boy ma me Joyce me who baby boy ma over my dead body o free like you o free jato me who baby boy ma na kwa ko free jato Ohene David jama ayo say ohun be na ye no ohun be na ya wo dey wa send message aba me say me dem see me mbo voice message bia o me mbo voice message bia na sika wo dey twa ticket di ba me ho be 5 months ni David me see David dey be di ano no sika wo dey twa ticket e dey ba me ho be 5 months ago until now no we dey ko di ashawa anka we di be 10 wo say sika wo dey twa ticket e dey ba me fie dey bia for 5 months no we dey ko di ashawa anka we di be 10 just imagine what comes out of your mouth. Who David no who program now you know enye bibi na ope o pe popularity ade be di ma e ma na obedi omo nkwa no just aje and attention you beto we are me 2 weeks no Bella Jai just who program now what to need fire from above now you know popularity fin ade ko di ma and I sorry and Ghana man na see me pe and Ghana man pe me and I who say Ghana obi friend from say bedinu and I friend is see obeba and I friend you want a woman to marry you and you keep telling her this kind of rubbish. You want me to marry you and you keep telling me this kind of rubbish. You say oh dey onam ho no me ni ma esi ope ana na Ghana ba mu ofuo na David no hu be na ye me ne wo mewo me wo baby boy man baby me mewo free jato me ko wo na kra no ko yo free na wo ni so yo free David who nim so yo free jato. How do you see you come to disrespect me by coming to do a video telling me say nana no monsa me yare u trisu no apampa so u boxers move fin wati a dirty pig like you dare insult my intelligence, you dare insult me pretending not to respond, you are pretending not to respond and you are insulting me indirectly. I have told you who I am. I have a good heart. Then mom, when you come thinking you want to destroy me, you will regret. You will regret. I'm telling you. You will regret. I am not here to do long talk. 1 year ago, and I would David who shall will message me. But they can't frame me. I don't know you. And I can't take on. And I may be some trust. Who is this, please? And I will see David. Fire from above. And I'm saying, okay, David, how are you? If you want to know how David met me, any sankwasia video now of fire on the bayer na. Sankwasia video now, who David who small fire some bayer na. The person me church and say, I am not roaming about looking for men. The men are chasing me, I'm running away. The men are chasing me, I am running away. I am not in any way chasing men. Now with David, 51 years ago. Me no me record you. Now mom, I say me make a beer, who just come and deny it. When you are coming, make sure say, who baba deny and not kita nkosuya, fita. And they snap. Na go jira nsuo, enye fake nsuo bia o. Nsuo, a o susu say, nsuo to me wom, na go jira o. Now I send a message. Sweet Joyce, how are you? Sweet Joyce, when can I meet you? And I see you, and I'm saying, who gave you my number? I will say, B Scout gave me number now. B Scout gave you my number. And I 51 year, what show me messages, sir? Me share anything, and because show videos, and I'm here mashing me show messages, I already sending me WhatsApp. Now me go show videos, I on Facebook. Me see, Obama na no ya zano. Now me here mashing me. Share, kasa train. E kasa train. Who fire video ben? What say David case? Say na me want ace na why. Say me want ace dia na David so ace. Sha na mama me dia to yadaka mama lock no mama ko kokwenya no na me dia to adaka mu na ma lock no HIV story na me dia sha adaka mu na ma lock no mama kokwenya sa story no mama kokwenya sa story no. If there is an issue and we are all trying to talk about her, that's a moon bibiaka and they be bipolar. No? Let me tell you, every individual has some kind of problem in this life. Every individual has some kind of problem in this life. Obia wa yare bi ehye ne ho a edi ninya a odiesie. It is asem mani ebekasa. Mamu be ya dey say my Joyce me na mo no. Ewiase mu yare nyina Yakobon de aso ame. Iti me na no de kasa. Makacho say bipolar no. Your doctors who have bipolar. There are judges who have bipolar. There are lawyers who have bipolar. There are celebrities who have bipolar. Don't come and make the thing look as if say obi your bipolar is asemu chema no okay bi enye. What bother mo? Hey, David. Me na wo suman crofo so medi matem no. Wo suman crofo. Wo suman crofo so medi matem. Who started so sending me message no. Count how many months. It do 8 months. I didn't want to see you. 8 months oh. David. Last year December. Who friend me say about Hamburg. Who be do Hamburg. Sweet Joyce, please, I'm in Hamburg. Can I meet you? Me sure did me try and try to say David. Your appointment meet me here and I'll call back to Frankfurt. December no January this year January and me ma chance to meet me. Me nya fusa o. Ye nyina eba social media so be di agra. Me nya fusa. Me nya so cheap. Say me Ohene David fire from above with him. Say okay, come on. I didn't do that. You saw how I stretch you. I wasn't stretching you because of anything. I didn't want to meet you. Because my spirit was telling me, say, don't meet this guy. Yes, baby. Adada, you are just a pretender who pretends to love people, but akuma, who needs him? Akuma cry the door back, David, who need be? Say, what Timama ni passe, me what Timama ni passe, I did be seen to know. I say, Mr. Crapana David, the Johnny, Obedum the phone is here. Who Jahona, Ubum, David, say, when Jack Crofona also one video, no? Now, me so come receive with David. Hey. I'm sure you don't know me yet. Me not sure so him you. Do you really know me? How many months in the who say me know be anyasem? I am a peace-loving person. Now so say who him? One of the reasons why he came into my life, Upe trained me wa, and I trained you, and I started man. So Obabe shame bufu. Na me bufu na me be so camera see me so a Upe trend. Who the popularity now? Oh fom no. Popularity now when you bria Upe so popular no me who be that. Eh no ntino. Obia be di na tem. O mfere mbu obia wasase so. Hey, popularity Upe free me ho no. E ba fu no. This popularity you are looking for from Joyce Mensah, a buffon, uber trendy, manafuno. Share David. And that man for me, post they do a TikTok. No, the other trust there. I plan beef. Plan beef. Now, beef no can be pen. I'm a plan. Original beef cramming pet. Send me to a baby whom said Joyce. Some question I didn't go for you. The person with Dimatem. The person is me do what I'm near trendy. Me be on me as a mother. Some question beef no. Me, I don't have time for nonsense. I, Joyce Mensah, don't have time for nonsense. I don't follow irrelevant things on social media. I do not follow irrelevant things on social media. Now what framing? 51 years ago. And I was artist I was framing. Oh, Frammy. What Frammy is Sweet Joyce? Can I come to you? Sweet Joyce? Can I come to you? Sweet Joyce? Can I come to you? And now, David, who they call me messages? Who they have my drink? And they say to me, and me be me pruma will say, okay, come into my life. Me fear I me show me who say you are a good, you can be a very good actor and a comedian. Uba mention I'm cultural story. The first story na nye no. And I'm a trauma ona. Yeah no be energy when I'm see David. Sha Jay Sconzi say broken heart oh. Sha someone share manuka say yeah. Say David na say movie say mudo David. Enti no ba be church run kwase ade. Ashe me before more. You are putting him in danger. David Bamichan just last week yeah. I me say me start the program now on. Last weekend David was with me. Last weekend David was in my room. Me the number ma said je o up me trust as me fa Paul number ma. Na me the number ma na da go to social media. Na me be ka wase ma obefa we di matem. Mamu me trust an kwasi a broken heart no hanom. O free to be at me broken. The only person our mommy broken heart she me be say me recover me bani papa. Mr. Steven is the only man that can give me broken heart. Not some stupid Libya burger. Not some stupid dirty Libya burger. I did not want to insult you one bit. And yet, me dirty ministers, me what is my baby doing that? Me ye crazy yo. Yes, penny forecast and me say, did dada, yes, and did preko. Nanka, people for the woman. Say Joyce, in ministers now they tell me, no, I found within brand, I mean, baby ma. Na me Jimmy, me tell her, the same ministers, they are still my friend. Bella, I dear we, and yes, soon I will soon. And I just say, I will say, no, I don't understand you. Can you explain? I didn't cry it. Look at the train. Look at the S-Bahn. The S-Bahn is passing. Can you see the S-Bahn? It's red. Ooh, choose. The S-Bahn is gone. Broken heart. I don't know me video I see. You are putting David in more danger. The only person mommy broken heart me cry me bani papa. It take me 2 years. Ben na 2 years in anami da su chedemusu. Me family feel I don't hide my feelings. Oh me say no. Me when I'm happy, I show it. When I'm sad, I show it. Don't come and try that rubbish. A man who doesn't have sympathy for women. A man who doesn't respect women. A man who can just get up and insult you. Oh yeah, see Joyce who them say me do with them. Na utu phone the mame. Say I didn't know the Nepali number I to Facebook. What pa me choose me fa Paul number ma. Me the number na ma. So we any interview. Nipa na mpini tu da kwata bi ko bisa wa. O ba be tu phone ma me say. Uni me sign a contract dia say am. Me friend I was of upiki be call. Che, you don't talk to friends like that. You don't talk to friends like that. Me so SME. I deserve it. Do you know why? Because karma doesn't miss address. Karma doesn't miss address. When David was insulted Dana Samoa said ni wig mukan cancer mayanka jom got muno. And when I was coming for David said, you endure about them, sir. Dana Samoa a wig mukan cancer say mayanka jom got muno. And I'm assuming this video in the bed to an amazing. Quick. Nana me name say definition of the bameso. Nana me nimu say ye defeat Dana Samoa swa ye de ba me Joyce so. David, when no mukasa kan. The things you are doing, so one say yeah, you will be so lonely. Baby, I own namu no mafa ho atra ejai. Baby, I own namu na dia oyeno. Ubufua. Then you want to vent your anger on innocent people. My yes I dey nature. Me yeah. Afina me lose very very important personalities in my life. Me yes an kwasi ade na afina me to me many pabio because obi asro me ben na me dey na to Facebook. And I me jai who show me Facebook page I me yes an kwasi ade ni bio. And I thank God Almighty. Gonna for ya a problem na call hospital. Na ya ma we dra. E do no be ma we Jimmy. E do no and I me say me look at the S-Bahn. And I me tie Ghana for na me be jai me bipolar and dronifa. Nkwasi ade me here on Facebook no. I have started obeying, going for therapy, praying to Jehovah God, help me, guide me, Mother Nature, the sea goddess. I'm your daughter. Guide me. Say the error who on Facebook, no. Me, I am not here to come and promise anybody. It's my life. More freedom fighters, more ye videos. I say, and I mean better my puka. I was social media, me roar me no. Hey, hello, me roar me ho. I have sinned against my body. Sabi my baby me check out to social media. I have sinned. Yeah, choose. So my baby me nufu. I roar me check out to social media. I be true. Musabi out to social media. I have sinned against my soul. And I am praying, communicating with my soul, trying to forgive myself. They were one hour say here. Of fire, freedom fighters. They were 1 hour say here. So when mama can't roll. Nipa we wo, she. Ebony papa o te hosa no. Ebony papa. Besin na ni ba ni we no. Sebi nyasa me kan ni yaw. Ebony papa onye papa biom because why you depressed? Ebony papa nya yanka. Sanka nyankupo beba ni option. Sanka nyankupo beba ebony papa option. Say ebony papa. Me person me di ebony brewo na mo mema ni bipolar. Oba eto de bi oba me run on social media. Sanka ebony. See the bus is going. Choose. See the bus. You see the bus? See the children crossing the road? Eh? Look ma. Choose. Sanka ebony. Na group of mama ebony papa an option. Sanka, yeah, choose. Sanka or the ebony ba. Nemo me the ebony brewa. Mama ni bipolar. Anga. Na kubo beka say, Fanibra, who the fa tripolar cow? Who the fa tripolar? Fa 4 polar? Fa 3 polar? Fa 4 polar? Ma fa me bani brebe. Fa me bani brebe. They will want to say. They will want to say. Things are happening in Ghana. In Crawford, Ebre. Che? Freedom fighters. If you don't know it, I'm telling you, say, Satem did na budino and no nama akokrani buefua. O mia Ghana for. I go for Adoni buefu. You don't talk to an elder like that. Put me for chimpanzee. A whole president of Ghana. Let me for chimpanzee. Na mashane glasses son no ekufado. Ekufado a chimpanzee. Na ne ekufado a chimpanzee. Say your papa and kabe ni sa. Who papa no behind the chimpanzee no na betu social media na church na. How would you feel? Just because you want him to do the right thing and he's not doing, is that the best way to communicate to your leaders? Are you stupid? Have you lost your senses? Yeah, kasa musi bipolar. Yeah, can't you cry chama musi bipolar? Are you crazy? No. Are you people all right? Hey, Ohene David. What baby you na pesa who sira na na musa me yare. David, me who? Me catch us say the way I walk on. Me suspect you say or bipolar. David, me catch us say who clinical depression. Oh, now we get to pregwe. To we get prekuneja then. David, the way ubu bom ego innocent people so no. I told you, David, that you have clinical depression with bipolar. And to call, and I me call internet to so na because we share Frankfurt psychiatric hospital ebel. And I'm sure hospital na the address ni na send say David. Ade na wo so ko fam wo Libya ho no. Affect you. Because Germany ha who cause our refugee centers now. I'm going to make church or say, Mom, who fancy you are traumatized. Who fancy you are traumatized. Because it's all Libya, no? You see, who cry to me shoot to be in front of you. In front of you, they can shoot somebody. Not who. It's a trauma. People go through trauma on the desert. People sell their kidneys. In comfortable kidney in Libya just to cross the sea. Now would have me a chance that you sold your brain. One time kidney no, who brain you sold your brain and you sold your heart because unyatin kama nipa. So we nipa ya dia. Unje hu se nipa ya dia midi ya ni how na me na de ya me anka how would I feel? She so we nipa ho yati wasa no. Na nkupo ma ya de bia. Wo ya de na se nya utumi nu hu. So we are there. Na se enya. What dana anaduna ukwangoda hodin no. Na fi da na ba play like it will replay in your mind. Na o je ho. Hey, ade ama ye. Hwe. Ade ama itina me yakwase ade wi abu ho na mabada me pache no. Obia was honhom no. Na wo David sa honhom na etu afru mu. The feeling of guilt. The feeling of guilt is ade ama ye no ma anya ni ye ma me ko pache no. Uni sa feeling ni bi. Ena sa wo ye obi ade a onje ho. Etina otimi e ka kire me say me ne woni contract bi asa me frɛ o so ofa. Na ntimi de obi number ma wa. Wo de number na kwa to social media ba kika fu kire me. Anya ya si o David uko ka kire o. Uko ka kire o. Yesi me ko Joyce wana e bibifo. Wo ba me ho bedi yes ah ba me ho na me ye aduane ma. Na me ye aduane ma no. E ho no wan dwe hu da se e bibifo be ma me poison da to aduane mu. Na yesi MPP ni bi on hu time. Fin se me fa adamfo. MPP ni bi an frame me da se koku David ma omo ne hu time o. Hwe obi on say wadwina touch the way obubom a okike mo social media na adwina touch. I told you to go to a psychiatric hospital in Frankfurt because I have diagnosed you of bipolar type 2. David, you have depression, you have clinical depression and bipolar type 2. I have diagnosed you. It's a cop near treat you. And I dey bia na me kofa Libya and I'm penifo and I Pentecost in penifo and I must say when you say and I'm when you say me true and I sabi and your bipolar nothing else can cause this. No ndo me catch you no so who to say who person fight ma o man ko wu krom na go fight ayo say me na ho ni me po bi eku no na me beku me nyo obi enku no me date minister me enku no Libya burger me beku Libya burger menya David me beku wu David a bisa ho se in faso ben pa na menya from say David aba me chama ye duanya ma na me di poezi egum MPP for no hu time o hu say na so bubom ti sakram obi enfiu upa bubom sa MPP ni bia me reply o MPP for no hu time umu ade you just don't respect Muma some group of disrespectful children who say adult sa you know me bawa video kwa na ga say me sa Muslim freedom fighters no mu sisa di no na mo ya no association of mpenifo ayemu ade mpenifo ayemu ade Chills McCarthy who say am I doing this for views? You know how I do my things. My yes so about social media. Send me per views and when you be brame ye, I'm dinya views. And Crawford beef yeah. I don't put myself in any of these things. Say beef counts ya madam for. But I don't go there. Say beef scouts, madam for. Na say adwempa hini madam for. Na say beef scouts, adwempa hini kwa. Me ko bisa chechiremu, me mpe obi an chechiremu. Menya ready say makwa jira biscuit afa na makwa di adwempa hini atem. I am not interested in inheriting people's enemies. I can't inherit your enemy. It is beef when you wear because support way because the way atem no. I am a civilized lady. Forget about bipolar. Me are civilized and cultured. I don't do stupid things for views. David, I have called you 3 times. So I video now why I dey to say me oh born and no pay so mo sam yare no be di hu ya una oni mi na me na me yare for no me nam enne me advice you dey bia say kopa asante hini acho papa no onya wo hwe obi ansoma Olivia David I advise you as a friend okwakoto menemu a omo amotwa hu ehia no ye push you omo etwa hu ehia no ye yodium David more fire. And I mean who say, baby, I'll hit on you. It is Sambra. Sign where teenager the only to Uber from me yare for. Send an animal Sammy Joyce yare say me yare. Is that it? Me yare na me ti on wrong. The obubum ti sakraman on yare. David na de bia or 2 phone see anymore. Beg. Oh no. On yare. Oh. Let me say Ghanaians, you don't like truth. Ghana from Penocre. Obi ya dia intimi nka nche ne say dia wo ye ne nye. Muslim ya freedom fighters. And I'm go Facebook. Me hwe mo nyina mo videos a. Mumu. Me hwe mo nyina e mu beye 30% nipa na akọ school kakra. Mo nyina you are a bunch of illiterate. Me hwe mo hu ne mo ye bia ne mo dress kra ne mo wig am de betra de videos na. Mumu Dr. Ren ana dia Oliver Baka Frema ya kakra Mama can cram anymore. You a bunch of illiterates who cannot even write your names. And I'm go hana moye so bitter about life. And you want to venge your anger on innocent people. If you want to fight, this is not the way to go. Go to Ghana and go and fight. David, take it. Video my me to 4 boy. Beef. I'm not the type of a person who want to do beef. So Usman kwasa fu bi won metro broken heart bi wa de na sima me on. Ube te kakanka. You will smell your kaka. Do you get me? Don't be silly. I am not a child. You are 5 years older than me. Fine. But I'm not a child. Officer mo wa wadwe bo na ka mi kwaje ho contract. Me wa wadwe money. Ubeda me fie a whole weekend, a whole 1 week. You think I have bad intention for you? Nah, just now they want to ban no. MPP for Bekuo and MPP for Bekuo. MPP ni bien or far phone that could pekra frame say. David na mama. MPP for a moon time. David, mommy control. One say Nancy. Ububo with back, bien few. Bien few. Nobody is responding to you because a woman will say, Adrena touch it. Nako treaty for bipolar. I have diagnosed you of bipolar disorder. You are not correct. Munya papa. Me are Mom penocret. Mom penocret. Mom fair me sure dear. At the right time, no. Me percent me picky call not so much. Me the phone not to silent. I don't want any distraction. Mami en koso ambo sa video we.
And I mean who say omono etrasi timi didi esri boom timi ate am say oh boy say ya de pa wo. When I say wo gita bipolar depression ba wo so a ma wo behave abnormally.
Me na me see me kita bipolar depression. What when nim a de kasa. What when nim? Wo kra to an when nim kra say vitamin D kra bi no moje. Look at your face. Say me na me see me kita bipolar depression. Nti e ba me behave abnormally. Wow, mo ya normal pony. Iti mu normal mu pony. Mu normal mu pona mo digu we. David, o normal pona o di atama. Family phone bra me besin na o family phone in bra me. Omo mo bo pass ko di atem no mo tumi to phone ma. Omo e bo pass ko di atem no omo tumi to phone ma wa na. E na freedom fighters na wa so ma mo so me di matem no omo tumi to phone ma. Lazy fools. Germany is a country of opportunities. Then me new trase and then come into deep. Before say David, before you left Ghana, na any swadi who be na that with him. I'm sure say you left Ghana because you wanted to make good use of your life, to better your life, to make money. Fine. You came all the way from Libya. Na me I do do Germany. Nye juma na auto kope. Kope juma. What your phone is when you your freedom fighter. And a phone e media. David the family phone e bra me. You see they were recruiting go for some from some your body ni. Obi kan no crash am a. Musi ni pa ni your body ni. Me kan no crash achre mo. Asantifo a mugu Hamburg ni Germany nyina. Wo David me ye video catch Asante hini ensuma o Libya kwentuo. Asante hini ensuma o nana otumfo. Wan suma o se kofa Libya. Papa penimu awa children, grandchildren, great grandchildren. and I would dinner yet from kitty. And I would dinner time morning, afternoon, evening. Me share any day, Miss Minia. Ya who no, wouldn't be would you shed a couple of panicho? My yin nipper. Share more penocre. Me who's a gunner for? It's in the air, Breno. A crone a back of swires, I become penocre. When I come up panicho. Now change your ways. Change your ways. Who from a body say you do the right thing in your body near. Not from me phone, Brema. Last week, I about me. Beji phone, some manje. I didn't take the phone. But 2 person would trust me, Jimmy dear, from the phone, Bremy. Who bought me her last week? Oh, my dad, 3 days. Did I take my phone back? I didn't take my phone. Why ya then I say then I owe ya? Who can't tell me say ya buy for force send me free or stay over. Now only me need contract to be a sell or so from ya. What the number? Paul, I do much number. Paul, I'm very sorry. I am so sorry. I should have asked your permission. Me ya be crowded. Who didn't penny form on me on my number on my phone so? You came into my life seeking information. And I suggest into only my ham adadana. Just only my ham adadana. Just say, one nam no that drink casting or the nam. Who be pay information? Now what did me? What did me we are? And I'm a baby boy. And I just been a baby boy. And I know I'm doing now on you. And I want a family plan ya now. I also made you what is it? Phone on mobile so almost say me bipolar no. You see me bipolar no. Margin and yet my own. My culture said there are judges, there are lawyers, there are teachers who have bipolar. There are pastors who have bipolar. Opinion bipolar. Now drink touch here. Me baby boy. Me ready say me wo fridge ato baby ah. What na ho esuman for somebody me matter to the point say you come and sit down there to tell me say oh select na no mufa answer me yare. And let them yare for ma. Be yare for ma. Okay. One every. Hello.
Hello, is that Joyce?
Yes.
Mpacho, good evening. Who alive, Anna? Me who say who alive? Who that's who?
Yeah. Me who? Inko obi eti me there two speaker.
Oh, is that Joyce?
Yeah.
Misro.
What's that?
Misro minia.
The bush ram zame nyaden.
Eye.
Den eye.
Eye. Eye minia.
David. Pesa dia no. Ko David Facebook page. Ko David Facebook page.
Sister Joyce.
Me see on the Facebook page. Na ko share video why I to so say na mo sam yare. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that statement means? Do you know what that statement means to me? So be a me sacrifice me who me ni be who boy David. MBP ni be madam fu bia ni me kasa bio.
Miss Sister Joyce.
Mo kan do plan che dey say. Me say, hold on me. Kona ko catch David say. Nkrofo ma me ni omo papa mo do to Facebook o di o matam no njai. Munye bo obejai. Sister bye bye. Me who say David adam fu me nkasa kra bi my bye.
And me enye who madam enye who ti me ma me nyesa. Sister Joyce. Me so pon am mefrel. Why? Me frel wa no afa. What?
Ko catch David so for me phone bre me.
Me say me so pon a mefrel.
Me see kwana ko frel David say phone mu chian me ye contract or say to German as on contract ah who this sika kra o me ye contract o kwana ko contract phone nya me na o de me pay contract ah nya me na o be na me baby boy me Jimmy sa ko catch ni say ya no ya kela ke if e ko ready ka me afa ofrija to bi ofrija to David then if e ko ready no ni American fame here come on money etu ni a video na jam ya kan ye ace kan bi kan ye ace bele ho ye ace mo ya no ya kela ke me ye ace bele ho David ye ace ko.
Oh,
do you understand what I'm saying?
It's
any in lock your cupboard me ata na jelepo nika dana you Ghanaians if there's any issue you want to tell me that me I am the inventor of ace. I am the inventor, so you always want to remind me of something. If I have ace and you David you have come to chop me, what did me 37 times? You chop me my kind sir 37. Samuel ace the other now for ace. Share I didn't want to you are not seeing anything for you to come and sit down and tell me say oh sir around some almost some yare me yare for
oh it's that Joyce
me ko na me kwaji phone ma because What is Facebook? Oh, and you know, make it a concours left phone bill, and a phone. I said, let me who meet it. You are my friend. And then tina ya wada for the bia pese ya kum ye huma nipa. Na ma kwaji phone na nyese me kita physical cash o me kwaji credit na me try every month. Na se me de obi number ma. Na se also pese ye program.
No dey me na me we share your life.
Sister, is it right? Me the phone number ma. Na so who ye programmer. We the number na kwato so bia fe no di na tem. Na me go bisa wa obedi matem. Na me ko bisa wa aka jam me ni contract bia se me fair or so offer. Then bring me my phone now. Is it too much? Bring me my phone. Is it too much to ask for? If you have started sending your so-called freedom fighters to come and insult me, because that's what you know how to do. That is what you know how to do, to insult. Munim said the cousin bia the munim man said no. Ya no ya care me. Ka osuma be. David e kaji osuma sane. Ya no ya wolenga. Aka Joyce say ni bi komende ka ke bango. You don't bring this to my doorsteps. Me see say of fire no say menya esa. David we di me 1 2 3 4 5 37 times. They bia me kind. I have been counting all the sex David had with me. And menya ready say me no ba me put the drink question na ma me David me see me Joyce me see me can go for. Bye bye.
After Mr.
Achi why say I shower ba. Me I shower ba. Mu David no be di a shower. I check any HIV certificate. And no ba be di no. It's we did dia. Na we di a chabone. So we di a chair any certificate dia. Na me person we catch am say we di a chabone. You come here to insult me. You come here to insult me, calling me a shower. Then your David is senseless. Your David is senseless. Mu David no. Yeah. Me too how many months in here? Ikamoko ebe. Na me ne me ba na ma besa me mapuka o. Me too how no fit me kola bre me pentokwa. Ube hye me bia na me sere. Me besa mapuka na makoda o. Me no be any problem o. Mama go for me come o. Me start here, you cannot stand me on social media. Ya pentokwa no ye kan wa. You cannot stand me.
Nema bebre na wa famu. Ni nyina wati mi na ye den. Enye hwe forget me bia. Sister